Porn Brain Reboot. That sounds like a lot of work. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh with your Monday motivation. I've heard that from a few people this past week, so I wanted to motivate you on this Monday to tell you that the biggest step, the most work that there is to be done, is taking the first step. And as you gain a little traction and some momentum, the work shifts. It becomes easier. It becomes fun. It becomes engaging. It becomes transformational. It becomes the stuff that you want to do with your day because it is helping you to become the best version of yourself that you want to become. And when you're taking actions on being that person in the here and the now to create the new version of yourself, it is excellent. It's an awesome experience. You start enjoying your days. You're on purpose. Your work gets better. Your relationships get better. Your hobbies, you start to do them. So the work to be done is taking the first step and getting the proper tools, techniques, and strategies and support to succeed. I don't know how many people I've talked to that tell me, I've been trying to quit porn for 10 years and nothing works. I'm pretty sure that nothing's going to work for me. You have to do the right stuff to succeed. You have to have the right tools, use the right techniques and strategies, have the right person behind you being able to tell you exactly what you should do in each and every moment. Because if you address every moment as it comes to you, learn within it, and then change something and do something new, you will continue to grow and you will outgrow your pornography habit. I can guarantee it. Okay, so I can almost guarantee it because legally I'm not allowed to guarantee anything. But if you put the work in, it will work for you. Okay, so I hope that keeps you inspired and motivated and empowered, and know that all of these techniques and strategies are founded and backed by neuroscience. They are proven effective. They will work. Okay, go have an awesome week and keep moving forward and control your brain or it'll control you.